Dear students, I welcome you all in this bright day of summer to the online class for SSC students. Today's subject is English, second paper, and this lecture has been dedicated for the students of SSC class. Today's topic is transformation of sentence, and subtitle for today's discussion is degree of comparison. Today's lecture is delivered by Mohammad Shamim Akhtar, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Fulbari Government College. Let's enter into the discussion. Our students are used to memorize rules or laws, and as a result of difficulty in understanding the rules and laws, they lose their way. So I would like to request my students not to concentrate on rules. I'll advise them to follow only examples. Today, I'll try to present my students 4 types of examples concerning comparison of sentences. I'll advise them, please go through the examples, analyze them, and then in the next step you will solve the problems. The example of type 1, here we find comparison among many objects or many persons, many nouns or many pronouns. In the superlative degree, Jerry was the best boy in the orphanage. If I transform this sentence into comparative, it will become Jerry was better than any other boy or all other boys in the orphanage. Then if I transform it into positive, it would be no other boy in the orphanage was as good as Jerry. This is the example of type 1. Now, we will give another set of example. We have given the name as type 2. This comparison is also among many. In the superlative degree, Bhutan is one of the smallest countries in the world. If I transform it into comparative, it will be Bhutan is smaller than most other countries in the world. In the positive degree, it will become very few countries in the world are as small as Bhutan. In the 2 sets of example given above, we will have to notice some points. We will have to notice adjectives, conjunctions, and nouns used for comparison. Adjectives in the superlative degree, superlative adjectives has been used as, for example, best, smallest, and in the comparative degree, better, smaller. This type of adjective has been used. In the positive degree, good and small adjective has been used. Conjunction in superlative degree, we will find no conjunction. But in the comparative degree, we will find the conjunction than. And in the positive degree, we find the conjunction as. And nouns, we will have to notice the nouns also. Jerry, in superlative degree, Jerry and boy has been compared. In comparatively, Jerry and other boys or all other boys, any other boys, these comparisons, these nouns has been used for comparison. And in the positive degree, no other boy, Jerry, these types of comparisons have been used. So, from the above discussion, we can decide that to transform from one degree to another, from positive to comparative, or from comparative to superlative, or from positive to superlative, or vice versa, we will have to follow 5 steps. At the first step, please mark the nouns or pronouns compared. Then, if the transformation is between superlative and comparative, their positions will remain unchanged. That is, first noun will remain at the first position, while the second noun will remain at the second position. Example, in superlative degree, Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Here, Dhaka is the first noun and city is the second noun. If I transform it into comparative, it will become Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. So, as this transformation is from superlative to comparative, the positions of noun are unchanged. In both the cases, Dhaka is the first noun and second noun is also unchanged. But if the transformation is from positive to superlative, or from positive to comparative, or the opposite, their position will alter, their position will interchange. For example, the positive form of Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh is no other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. So here Dhaka occupies the second position and no other city occupies the first position. So the position of noun must be marked and placed properly in the first step. Then in the second step, we will have to use adjective belonging to the respective degree. The superlative is biggest, comparative is bigger, and positive is big. In the third step, we will have to use the appropriate conjunction. Normally in superlatives, we use no conjunctions, but in comparatives, we use the conjunction than, and in positive degree, we use so as or such as conjunctions. And in the fourth step, we must be careful that if the transformation is between superlative and comparative, affirmative sentence will remain affirmative. No change will occur. And negative sentence will remain negative. Where in the case of transformation between superlative and comparative, from superlative to comparative or from comparative to superlative. For example, Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. And if we transform it into comparative, it will be Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. Here, both the sentences are in affirmative form. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh, it's in affirmative form. And Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh, it's also in affirmative form. Next step, step number 5, it is opposite to the previous step. That is, if the tune is between positive and superlative, or positive and positive. That is, if from positive to superlative, or superlative to positive, or positive to comparative, or comparative to positive, affirmative becomes negative and negative sentence becomes affirmative. Affirmative becomes negative and negative becomes affirmative. For example, in the superlative degree, Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. It's a sentence which is affirmative in form. And if I transform it into positive, it will be no other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. No other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. So the first sentence was affirmative, but the transformed sentence is positive. Next, following the instructions, following the steps, we will do some practices. In the superlative degree, English is the richest language. English is the richest of all languages. If I transform it into comparative, it will be English is richer than any other language. If I change it into positive, it will be no other language is as rich as English. Second example, he is not the best boy in the class. It's in superlative form. If I convert it, if I transform it into comparative, it will become he is not better than most other boys in the class. And in positive form, it will become some other boys in the class are at least as good as he. Another example, this is one of the most interesting books. It's in superlative degree. In comparative degree, it will become the boy is more interesting, the book is more interesting, the book is more interesting than most other books. And in positive degree, very few books are as interesting as this. So please do more practices, and practice will lead you towards perfection. The discussion above was comparison between many nouns or many pronouns, many persons or many objects. But next, our example type 3 is comparison between two, only two. When objects of comparison numbers 2, it is possible only to use 2 degrees, positive and comparative. So in this case, transformation will be from positive to comparative or from comparative to positive. In positive degree, we find the example, he is as strong as a tiger. He is as strong as a tiger. If I transform it into comparative, there are 2 alternative answers. One is a tiger is not stronger than him, or it may be he is not less strong than a tiger. Another example, in positive degree, Raju is as brave as a lion, and in comparative it will become a lion is not braver than Raju, or Raju is not less brave than a lion. Another example we discuss. In positive degree, I am not as tall as you. If we transform it into comparative, it will be you are taller than I, or I am not less tall than you. Another type of example we will provide now. It's also comparison between two. In positive degree, cure is not as good as prevention. If we convert it into comparative, it will be prevention is better than cure. In positive degree, I am not so strong as you. If we convert it into comparative, it will become you are stronger than I. Another example, in positive degree, if a bird cannot fly as fast as an aeroplane, and if we convert it into comparative, it will become an aeroplane can fly faster than a bird. So the changes which took place we have to mark. Number one, the era of change is degree of adjectives. So adjective will indicate whether it is in positive degree, or it is in comparative degree, or it is in superlative degree. Number two, we must focus on conjunction. Conjunction is also important. In positive degree, we use so as or as conjunctions, and in comparative degree is then. And the interchange of affirmative sentences into negative and negative sentences into affirmative is also mentionable. And number four, alternation of places between first and second noun. Second noun will take the first place and first noun will take the place of the second noun. So these are the theoretical discussion. We'll do some more practices, and this practice will give us a clear view. In positive degree, it is written a bus does not run as fast as a train. If we transform it into comparative, it will become a train runs faster than a bus. Similarly, cure is not as good as prevention, and comparative form of it will be prevention is better than cure. In positive degree, he is as fast as a cheetah, and in comparative degree, he is not less fast than a cheetah. So these are all about our discussion on transformation of sentence, part comparison of degree. So I hope that you have understood the lesson. If you have any question, please ask it in the inbox, and we will try to provide answer for your question in the next class. So thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, eat nutritious food, and boost up your immunity. Thank you very much.